New gloves. Oh yes. I can finally get rid of them winter gloves that I've got. Take far too long to get on, they're too thick. These Alpinestars look quite nice actually. So these are Alpinestars copper glove, they're called. Look quite nice to be fair. Got some protection on there, protection on the fingers, the all important pad to allow me to control the phone if needed, bit of protection on the wrist. Now these are a size large. Let's have a look. So I've only just taken them out the box, you see. I hope they fit. They should do. The other gloves I've got are large and they're alright. Oh yeah, they're not too bad actually. A bit shorter than the previous ones, so the winter ones I had actually went up my wrist. These ones are a lot shorter, which I quite like. They go on a lot quicker as well. The thing I found with the winter gloves is I spent more time at the bike putting the glove on, pushing each finger down because they're insulated, pulling them back and then strapping them up. And these were on within a second or so. Quite nice. I think they'll break in quite well as well. They're a little bit tight at the minute, but let's see what they ride like. They are nice. They're definitely a lot thinner. They feel a lot thinner than my winter gloves. So I feel like I can feel the texture on the grips. They're that thin on the bottom. I can't see it being an issue. I think it looks like strong material. Or maybe I was just used to the numbness of the thick gloves that I had. But in general, yeah, they're alright. I can feel the breeze through the hands, so I'd certainly say they're just summer gloves. They're not waterproof, but I never got them to be waterproof. Feel alright, yeah, I can feel the support on the edges. Let me just see what's going on here. It's always busy, this junction in Ormskirk, especially on a Saturday when the market's on, you see. Ooh, look at me in the reflection. What away? Yeah, so yeah, feel nice, quite like them. Yeah, decent Alpinestars. You'd expect them to last as they do. I obviously don't want to test the knuckle protection, hopefully ever have to. Happy. Busy old market town, Ormskirk. It's nice to see it busy again, to be fair. Been far too long. Right, let's have a look what they are like on the phone. Oh, there you go, seems to work. Face ID always gets me. Not bad, yeah. Nice switch about. Seems to work quite well. Emails. Yeah, pretty decent. Like it, works well. Close up of the inside, and what I have spotted as well is these vent holes. I don't know if you can pick them up on the camera. These vent holes I think will help on them warmer days, or even help on the wetter days if you get caught out with drying out. It's got some nice padding on the inside, obviously where your hand touches the handlebars. Like I said, these pads quite nice. I mean, I think the gloves cost me about £35. So for a summer glove with quite a tough protection on them, I think they're well worthwhile. I was looking at some leather gloves, but I think with these being so breathable and maybe a little bit more versatile, I think they're a good option. Nice, easy off as well. Boom, done. Hey guys, thanks again for stopping by. The gloves themselves, really nice, really lightweight. I definitely recommend them. Only cheap, I think they were about £35, something like that, from Amazon. The link is below for all the accessories that I bought for the bike, any clothing, that sort of thing. I will keep it updated as I buy more, because this thing is like a bug and you just can't stop buying. Look, hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, please leave any comments, and yeah, let's see.